Assalamu alaikum. Now we are going to do our experiment. Here is our DC separately excited motor. As you can see, this is the machine we use for the experiment 5. This is it, the armature winding and the field winding. The armature winding is connected to DC supply here, which is fixed, a variable DC supply. Variable DC supply, and the current is up to 60 amperes because this machine, the armature, takes up to 6.4 amps. This is the field winding. The field winding is here. And then we have to connect it through the variable resistance here. From the variable resistance to the ammeter, we don't need the ammeter, but just for checking. And then we use this field regulation resistance to vary the field current. So when I change the field current, I'll change the speed of this machine. When I also change the armature voltage through here, I'll change the field. Now we come here. This is our synchronous machine. You can see that it is 3-phase winding, and the 3-phase, we connected them as Y by short circuit W1, W2, V1. Then now we have U2, V2 up. So we take 2 lines, that is open circuit, and then we connect this line through our isolating amplifier as we did before. This is the voltage, and we put it to divide by 100 so that the voltage will be divided by 100, and we feed it to the Kashi Profit Kashi. Again, this is the field winding F1, F2, which is connected. F1, F2 here is connected here. You can see red and blue. They are connected to the field supply. This is a variable DC supply. We can put it off and off. Then we connect from the positive to the isolated amplifier, the current version of it, and from there here, that way it will measure the field current, which we have fed it through this black one to the Profit Kashi. Then we come here. This is the taco generator coupled to the machine and the motor. And here we connect it to our control unit, and we can measure the speed of it. We can measure the speed. So now we can measure the voltage, the speed, and the field current both from here. Now we go to our software and click Kashi Experiment. Click Open Kashi Experiment. We have Experiment 7. This is Experiment 7. We click Open it. Now, if we open and there are things like this, it means that we have to stop and restart the computer. Restart it so we can restart it, otherwise it will not go through.